Hey everyone, just following up on my Xbox steering wheel controller repair project. In the first video, I demonstrated why I thought the potentiometer in here was bad. The old one looks like this. I suspect it's the same potentiometer they use in Xbox controllers. Don't really know. But it may explain why this has gone bad, because there's a lot of negative feedback about the one they use in the standard Xbox One controllers. Anyway, this is a pretty standard 10K potentiometer. It has a flat on the shaft. It has a housing that approximately fits this clamp. It goes into the hole pretty well. Just soldered the ends on the existing wiring harness. Then for detailed information on what I selected, I took some notes, printed some stuff out. Here's a price breakdown. You can see it's not expensive. The part number 9871380-ND is the DigiKey part number, manufactured by TT Electronics. If you go to DigiKey, and there are a lot of options. You can go to Jamico maybe, or some of the other suppliers, Mauser maybe, and you can get a potentiometer from them. And I suspect the prices will be about the same, but I'll share with you what I have. When you go to their site, you can get a printout of their data sheet. This is page 4 of the manufacturer's data sheet. You'll see the cutout, and it's a little hard to read, so I blew it up. And you'll see 3.35 millimeters from the flat to the outside diameter, and then 4.75 millimeters for the diameter of the shaft itself. That gives you an idea of what dimensions to look for the hole in the controller. It fits fairly well. A little dab of hot glue finishes it off. There's no backlash, and I think we're ready to button it up. So I hope I provided all the information you need to do this yourself if you decide to do so. If you have questions or comments, please feel free to include them at the bottom of this video. And if you have questions, I'm curious to know more about this myself. So if you have questions, please feel free, and I'll do my best to answer questions or share whatever it is I know on this. All right, good luck.